Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube. I'm doing a DIY for you guys today. A lot of you have been asking me about this, so I'm using the Aztec Indian clay and also some turmeric that I bought from Didi's Discounts and some apple cider vinegar that I got from the Dollar Tree. Also, I will be using a little container to put the mixture in, and you don't need something so big. I'm just using it for my face. And a little brush, something flexible that you can use to put on your face. You don't have to do that. You can use your hands if you want, but I just like to use a brush. All right, so now we're gonna start mixing the stuff in. I think that's half a teaspoon of Aztec clay. You don't need a lot, just depending on how many areas you're doing. I just like to do my face. Sometimes I like to detox my armpits. Or if you want to kind of lighten areas of like your knees or elbows, you can do this as well, or add more to the mixture. I'm taking about not even half of that for the turmeric because the turmeric's very potent, super yellow, and it can also cause your eyes to water, but I think I'm used to it, so I'm gonna add just like a little bit. So you could just stir it up together, kind of stir your little mixture and make sure it's mixed fine. And then I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar. Oh, no, I'm pouring a little bit more because I think I needed a little bit more. Yeah. But you can make it as potent as you want. Me, I guess because I'm used to it, I added a little bit more. And then now take your apple cider vinegar, about a cap. And then as I go, I pour it in. So I only poured like not even half of the cap in, and I started to mix it to see what the consistency was. And then I grabbed the other half cap full, and mixed it in. So you're just gonna stir it around until you get like the consistency you want. Me, I like mine's like kind of like a paste, not too watery, but not too thick as well. Make sure you stir around the bottom, the edges and stuff, and get in those creases so that you can get all the mixture. And as I'm showing you guys, this is how I like it, like a paste, kind of not thick, but not liquidy. All right, so now you guys are gonna see me just basically put the mixture on my face. There's no specific order to it. I do start with my T-zone area. Don't know why. It's just a habit, something I do. Maybe because I think like, oh, if I don't have enough, let me get the areas that's more important. And then I just go and kind of fill it in the other spaces. All right, so I'm just gonna basically speed it up for you guys because this is kind of self-explanatory. And once again, you guys, like it could be a little like strong for the eyes, make the eyes water a little bit, but that should be fine. I was also showing you if you have some left over, you can detox your underarms. All right, so now it's officially hardened and it's ready to come off. I did let it stay on a lot longer because I'm trying to like get that little bump that's on my face to go away. So after you've washed it off with warm water, as warm as you can stand it, your face may still feel a little like tight or something, but that's okay. And you might see some redness. I'm black, so you probably don't see that much, but it's still fine. So I take a napkin, or if you have a washcloth, and wipe my face off. Make sure you get all of the water off of your face. But yeah, your face might feel a little sore. It's common. It's not like irritated or anything. I think it's just the tightness from when the mask was on. And now I'm going to take my rose water spray and saturate my face, get it all over it. And then I'm going to take my hands and kind of massage it in. You don't have to do that step. I just kind of like to do it. I feel like I'm getting the full benefits of it by pushing it in my skin. I don't know. That's just me. Then I'm going to take my moisturizer. This is one I use for night and day, so it don't really matter. Take a little bit. Just a tad, don't need much. And then we're going to massage that into the skin. And it might look like I'm being like really rough with my face. I'm not. I'm just like really pushing the product in there because I just think in my head that's going to give me the best results possible. But you do what works for you, okay? I get my neck. We don't want that double chin, so I push it down. And no wrinkles on the neck. All right, now look at the skin. It looks good, looks soft, looks clear. Even my little bump, some of the redness went down a little bit. Oh, it's so soft. I hope you guys like it. Thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next time.